Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need a Microsoft account and the OneDrive app installed. Sign in now so your files can sync. Once signed in, check available storage in GB and enable files on demand to save local space. Next, select the folders you want to include, desktop, documents, pictures, and start the initial sync. This seeds cloud copies and establishes the sync relationship. Make sure your device stays online during this first upload, because uninterrupted transfer reduces conflicts and speeds the setup. Now configure deeper settings to control behavior and access. You can use selective sync to keep large folders online only, which reduces local disk use. Adjust per folder settings in the OneDrive preferences. Once done, set sharing permissions for each shared link, specify view versus edit, set expirations, and restrict by people or organization to protect data. Also enable version history and Office autosave so you can restore prior edits. This prevents accidental loss and simplifies collaboration workflows. Finish by verifying the sync status in the system tray or OneDrive app. Green checkmarks mean files are local and synced. A cloud icon means online only. Make sure you enable Personal Vault for sensitive files and enable two-step verification for added security. Once done, test access from the web and mobile apps to confirm consistency. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Sign out and sign back in, or reset the OneDrive client to rebuild the sync database. This often resolves persistent conflicts or stalled uploads.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.